Hello everybody and welcome to the Onshape Live Sneak Peek. My name is Paul Chastel and I lead the team at Onshape that develops, deploys and operates the Onshape product. I'm really excited to be able to share with you today some of the things that my team are working on. Now, I can't make any promises as to when you will see it because with an agile development process, we put out stuff every 3 weeks. Some things you see will come out in the next month or so, others towards the end of the year. But we are working very hard on all of these things, and I think you'll be very happy with what you see. Now, when I say we're going to show you what these functionalities are, that's exactly what I mean. I'm not going to show anything. We have this lovely bit of culture at Onshape. Every week on a Thursday, we have a team meeting. The whole team gets together, and there's always a few demos that my team stand up, show what they're working on. And so we thought, why not just bring that to all of you? So not only will you get to see some of the functionality that we're working on today, but you actually get to see the people that are building it. And so with that, I'd like to hand it over to one of our very first engineers, Lana Saxonoff, as she introduces what she's working on right now. Over to you, Lana.
Thank you, Paul. Hello, I'm Lana Saxonov, working for Architecture and Feature Script Group. Today I am presenting developments functionality. Approach to developments is an example of how Feature Script benefits Onshape users. Over 3 years ago, Neil Cook wrote Feature Script beams, which helped a lot of our users to create beams geometry. Neil also did a great job of staying on top of Feature Script improvements and incorporating them into the beams feature. The latest version supports use of custom profiles and generates cut list. Feedback from users of this custom feature informed design of the functionality currently under development. Elif Dawson, one of the top geometry experts in our company, written a robust frame feature with flexible geometry selections, improved profile attachment control, and joint options, which can be specified per individual joint. We have rethought the workflow and decided to separate building frame geometry and generating cut list. This allows for more flexible geometry tooling, and cut list combining geometry generated with different profiles, imported geometry, or geometry created by features other than frame.